What is going on, Ben Nation? We are having something of a revival in the Ben coin. Long bounce off of a low, up over 100% in that period of time. Now, if you like the content, make sure that you hit that like button. Make sure that you leave a comment on this video because that helps it trend. We're going to look at some charts real quick. Check out what's going on right here. I'll give you a quick update about what's going on in the background as much as I know, and then we'll see where it goes from there. But primarily, what we're talking about right now is in the futures market. As you can see right here, we had a wick up to 31.29 just a little while ago, establishing a new, and this is a bullish pattern, by the way. We're still coming out of a bearish momentum, but it looks like we're moving back upwards into and forming a new point of control, which seems to be this area right here, sitting at 25.79. This big wick again went up to 31.43. If you're playing futures right now, you're feeling really good about it. And as you can see right here, we've seen a lot of continued enthusiasm for Bencoin. And right here, you've got the gray, which is telling you this is your buy time right now. So still in a buy zone, which is a very good sign, a very nice sign. Hopefully it continues and maintains that way, and we continue to see some of that push. Now, moving over into the Uniswap market, as you can see right here, we did bounce exactly off of the resistance that we spoke about last night. Hopefully we can start to move through this chop. There's going to be a little bit of resistance here. A lot of people just trying to get out and take profit. Remember, I think we've already kind of flushed people. So I don't know how much there's going to be, but there will be a little bit along the way here. But I should suspect that the next move is to 37.20 or thereabouts before we make a big move into the 4200s. Now, there's a lot of FOMO and buildup that could be happening only because we're moving to a V2, and that usually creates a little bit of enthusiasm. Now, with everything that's been going on in the background, it would be possible. I'm not going to say that it's true. I'm going to say it's possible that we're just getting the early on FOMO for the V2. Austin has done a great job so far at making sure that everybody is in line and ready to go for that V2. Great job of explaining everything. So, we'll see how this plays out. But I think that maybe we just caught the tip of the FOMO. And look, Ben Armstrong is back, not called Bitboy Crypto anymore, just called Ben Armstrong. So, and potentially there could be a deal to be made. Doesn't look like it, but potentially there's a deal to be made. This could be a long drawn out fight. But in the meantime, we've got positive price action. We've got a pretty good result here. Looking for a 20 million market cap. That's what a lot of people are talking about right now. So hopefully we can get up to that kind of level. Wicked out at 15 already. So perhaps we can get a secondary push and continue our way back up to a 20, 25, maybe even $30 million market cap before we get to the V2. And if we do that, that's going to be an explosive result. So good signs all around. Now, as far as Bencoin goes, if you haven't already, make sure you go to @BenArmstrong's X and make sure you give him a follow over there. And as of this point, Bitboy Crypto is dead. Hasn't been doing anything in over a week right now. They've used it for Chainlink on August 31st. Right now, as this is playing out, seems kind of dead. So don't know how that plays out, but we'll keep you informed. We'll keep you updated with as much as we can right now. September 18 is when the token is when the liquidity unlocks. It'll be moved into a holding spot, and then it'll be moved into the V2 as soon as the contract is launched. Now, we won't give you the exact time, and I say we as if I'm part of it. I'm not part of it, but you get what I'm saying. We will I can't tell you when it's going to launch because then people would cheat and game the system. So there will be it'll obviously be launched relatively quickly, but it's kind of a surprise, so it can't be timed so that people can't game the market. So, and that's to protect you, the investors. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Again, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell to be notified of future content. It's not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very, very soon.